Hi folks, today we're out here with the Hatfield 20 gauge. If you're not familiar with these are a $99 Walmart single shot shotgun. I did have a 410. I do have a 410 which I really liked. As you can see, these fold up fairly decent, maybe for a backpack or whatever. There are several videos out there on how to make these a lot smaller and still make them legal and be able to put in a backpack pretty easily. As I say, I have the 410 of this. I really enjoy it, and I thought, well, I'm going to try the 20. I do know that I probably won't go with the 12 because the recoil on them is horrible from what I've heard. So we'll see how this 20 goes. This is the first time it's been shot. It is brand new. As I say, I just purchased it yesterday, so this is brand new to me. So let's go ahead, and we're going to use some Remington 7.5 inch. We got some water bottles out here we're going to shoot, and we'll see what we think of this booger. So let's go ahead and get after it. Does have a little bit of a kick, not bad. Pretty solid, but not like a 12 gauge solid. So let's go ahead and hop on the next one. I got a dead battery signal coming, so let's get after it until we get all these shot. Seems to be fairly accurate. We're hitting everything we're trying. As for recoil, it's not horrible. It's doable, definitely doable. Let's go ahead and do the last one. There you go, the Hatfield. It is a little stronger than like a pump 20 or a semi 20, but it's not bad. As you can see, to extract the shells, you have to pull them out by hand. It doesn't pop them out like some others do. There you go, smoking a shotgun. But overall, for an inexpensive gun, I believe that it'll do the trick. Only time will tell. I'm hoping to take this dove hunting and possibly pheasant hunting and some other things with it. So stay tuned. There'll be plenty more on this gun coming. As I say, I'm extremely pleased with it for $99. I'm happy with it. It does a good job, and I like it. So thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day.